What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing GeorgeNotFound from the Dream SMP. I'm going to get started by overlapping the glasses on top of the head. So start from the center of our page, draw a straight angled line going up and then out towards the right. And then from the ends we'll draw two equal length lines coming down towards the bottom. And we'll close off the bottom with another angled line. Now let's draw the inside of the frame. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw two more lines. One coming down on the left, then one over on the right. Let's fill the inside of the lenses in black. Let's extend the top and bottom of the glasses. From this point, draw a straight line going up, follow that angled line coming towards the inside, and then come straight down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, go across towards the outside, and then pull that back down. Now we're going to do the same thing along the bottom. Start from the bottom corner, come down, up and in, and then pull that straight up. Let's split the frame in half from left to right. Starting halfway down this line, go up and in behind the lens, continue in the middle, then up on the right. Now with the glasses in place, let's layer the head in behind. From this point, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top of the head. Let's go over towards right, step in, and draw that same length line. Let's close off the top with another angled line. Let's carry this line along the bottom, coming down just underneath the glasses. Do the same thing on the right, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's go back up and draw the inside edge of the hairline. From the top corner of the glasses, angle down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now step in, draw two lines going up towards the top of the hairline. And we'll close this off. Let's work our way towards the side of the head. From this point, I'm just going to angle this up and back towards the left. Come down towards the bottom. That same length line. Just going to line this up on the outside, connect the top and bottom with a straight line. Let's wrap the arm of the glasses along the side of the head. From this point, angle up and back, come straight down towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom with a short line coming in, and work our way back in towards the glasses. Going up, and we'll pull this in towards that line, coming down and in. Now I'm going to wrap the hair around the ear in behind the glasses. From this point, we'll step back, go up with a short line, go out toward the left, come straight down, continue down along the bottom, go up and back. Let's go underneath the arm, draw a straight line coming down, angle towards the back of the head. Now we're going to move back up and close off the top of the head to create a box. Starting on the left side, angle this up and over towards the right to right about there. I'm going to follow this same angle line coming down and out towards the top right. Let's move down and draw the left arm angled forward, halfway along the bottom edge of the head. Then angle the arm coming down and then out. Let's go back up to the top, come down and out toward the side of the arm. Draw that same length line along the bottom. Connect the top and bottom with the same angled line. Let's add some thickness to the arm. From this point, come down and out towards the left. Draw that same line along the inside. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now take that same angled line and draw that up along the top. Connect the top and bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to go back up and draw on the sleeve. Starting up here, draw a line going across, come down to the inside, angle down and out. Now I want to place the body directly underneath the head. From the left corner, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down in behind the arm. Let's take that same distance over on the right side, step in, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the hip. Let's draw the bottom edge of the body coming back in towards the arm. We're going to leave a gap on the side. So we're going to step over, angle this down and out in behind the arm. Let's go back out to the right. We're going to straighten the leg, coming down and out towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom of the leg, coming down at an angle. And we'll follow the same angle line, going back up underneath the body. Let's draw the bottom edge of the shirt on the right. Starting up here, coming down and out, go across, come down, and then back out. Now I'm going to move over and draw on the left leg. Starting from the very top, draw a straight line coming down. I'm going to follow that same angle line across the knee, coming down and back, and pull that back up underneath the left arm. Let's bend the bottom of the leg. Starting from the bottom left corner, just going to angle this back, take that same line on the inside of the knee, close off the bottom. Now we draw the side of the leg. Starting from the bottom corner, angle up and out, follow this line up toward the back of the knee, and we'll pull that straight up underneath the arm. Let's draw the inside of the right leg. Starting from the bottom corner, come straight in, and we'll angle this up and in behind the left leg. Let's draw the right arm pointing back. Starting from the top of the body, draw a short angle line coming down, angle this up and out. Let's go back to the inside, come down and in, aiming towards the hip. We'll stop right about there, pull this back in behind the body. Let's go back up to the top right, draw that same length line coming down, connect the left and right side with a straight line. Let's go back up to the top, pull this in, and then come down and in behind the head. Now I'm going to go back and add the sleeve. Starting down here, go up and out, go back to the inside, come up and in. Let's separate the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this line, step up, draw that straight across, going back to the left side, go up towards the heel. Now I'm going to add a box, going up and then back. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Coming straight across the front, come toward the back, go up and then in. Now we're going to go back up and draw the left edge of the body. From the bottom corner of the head, step over, draw a straight line coming down in behind the arm. Now I'm going to go to the center of the body and add the collar. Starting on the left, come down with a short line, go to the right, and do the same thing. Pull this in towards the middle, come down with another line, and then close off the bottom. Let's add that rectangle in the center of the body. Starting on the left, angle this up and out towards the right, come down the sides, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace this rectangle along the inside. Starting from the top, come down the side, and then we'll close off the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There's GeorgeNotFound from the Dream SMP. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.